Hey y'all, Joseph Lipper here. I made a robot in 3 days that I think is really cool, and I really want to share with you. There's a link in the description with more details and pictures on it, but this one scores points a little bit differently than a lot of the other ones out there, and I'm really excited to see if it turns out being really good or an absolute flop. But either way, I want to share this with you because I think it's really cool. Go ahead and check this out.
To my soul, there's a world wide open. Look up at the stars, trying to find my moment. Push it till I break.